classing 857 pounds, Marshall Summersell from Saraland, and Graham Henniger from Homewood.
Nice, good came through.
On mat 3, Tristan Salat from Smith Station, and Brady Coggin of Oak Mountain, class 857 pounds. On mat 4, Nolan Hinkle from Hueytown, and Sam Powell from Pelham. On mat 5, Colin Kinley from Tasmania Hills, and Connor Sire from Auburn, class 857 pounds.